This fudge is not fair. It's dangerous for something so delicious to be so easy to make. The secret ingredient is mini marshmallows, a less messy alternative to marshmallow cream. It gives fudge a creamier texture, and it makes the recipe foolproof because your cooking temperature doesn't really matter. Grab an 8 or 9 inch square pan. Use a little spray oil to stick some parchment paper to the bottom. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine 5 ounces of evaporated milk, 1 2/3 cups of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Start at high heat, stir constantly so it doesn't burn. Then when it starts to thicken, bring it down to medium-high heat until you get a boil. Boil gently for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Then, quickly add 1 1/2 cups of mini marshmallows, 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that until the marshmallows dissolve. Use a strong spoon. Pour the fudge into your prepared pan. You can help force it down into the corners with a spoon or spatula dipped in hot water. Because this fudge is thick, it sets fast. It'll be ready to pull out and cut into squares after just 30 minutes cooling on the counter. This stuff just crumbles and melts. Very addictive. Goes over well at gatherings, keeps well at room temperature. You can add a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts if you're into that sort of thing. I think it's perfect without.